Oh,
What are they doing?
What?
What is happening?
so many stuff wrong.
So many things happening. What are you doing to your bike? How are you gonna get to work?
I think not today.
Uh-oh.
No.
What are they doing now? They're attaching a sprocket?
So it's some upgrade of the bicycle or just destroying it?
I don't know. It seems like destroying it. So they're adding the sprocket to it. They're adding a chain. I'm confused. Are they making a new bike, maybe, with old bike parts?
Maybe. Oh, some
Oh my
electric
gosh.
bike.
An
Oh.
electric bike.
Yeah, just imagine it could attach to the chain and you
Yeah, it
we'll
could
see now.
spin itself, the wheels.
Can you see the button?
Ooh.
Button.
The button? Yeah.
Button.
I can see
How
the
they-
bottom.
Button. So how they made him out of syringe?
Okay, this is interesting. But where does the syringe come into play? Well, I don't get the...
You know,
Oh.
you can move it, and it's a hydraulic pumper. I don't know how to.
Interesting. All right.
But it's some about hydraulic.
Yeah. I don't know how long the drill battery would last, though, you know? I feel like it wouldn't last that long.
But you can have a bunch of them, you know, in your
That's
pocket.
true, yeah. Just carry I love carrying around massive batteries. Love it. Every day you have to charge 50 of them.
But then,
Okay.
okay, that's could be nice. I mean, fine. You can. I mean, if it's regular drill, it can hold a lot of. I mean,
A lot
can
of
work.
charge.
Yeah.
I don't know. Because I've used a drill before, and like
Yeah.
if you put too much pressure, it'll just kind of short out and it won't work. So
It depends from the quality. If
Yeah.
they have a Bosch, it's fine. If
Okay.
you have an IKEA drill, maybe
No
you'll
chance.
know. No chance. Whoa!
that's so weird. Oh, we didn't really
But
see it.
Where were brakes there? You know?
No brakes.
No
That's why they cut it so
brakes.
fast, is because he went straight into oncoming traffic.
Oh, I hope, dude, you have brakes there.
Yep. Okay, so they
Uh,
just repaired that bike wheel. Now what are we doing?
Repaired?
They
It's very
they
poor repairing, to be
Ah.
honest. But okay, maybe. Oh.
What is this? Oh,
What? What?
that is pretty cool.
Let's see.
Take your bike with you on the moped.
Wow, awesome.
I like that one.
Yeah, but how fast can you drive?
Probably
with
not
it?
that fast.
No.
No.
But anyway, that's smart.
Use the noodle for swimming. I like the description. Noodle for swimming.
No, for riding, not for.
Pop tubes.
You know, I saw this. thing.
Interesting.
Oh no! It's.
What is he doing? Oh my gosh! Wow, okay, so he made a bike into a chair. All right, that seems pretty useless. Next, we have a handlebar on top of our Vespa. What are we gonna do with that? Ah, it's a bike rack for your Vespa. Very nice. Pretty cool. I think that might actually work pretty well. Maybe. Or not. Next, we're doing some nice taping of our bike, which, you know, I don't know why you do that, but some people just have interesting hobbies. All right, we're adding our equipment inside of it. It's like a nice little backpack thing in your bike. Next, we have a foolproof way of stopping thieves from stealing your bike. Simply use a padlock, and thieves will definitely give up instead of just picking it up and running away. Restoring the shape. All right. Ooh. 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 Okay, so it looks like we have some morphing technology here. Why? Whoa. And you can cut it and it doesn't cut you, I guess. That looks like that inspires me to make a superhero costume, so it's knife proof. Don't actually do that though, probably. Probably wouldn't be safe. Okay, it looks like we're fixing up a car now. Giving it a nice clean, a little scrub-a-dub. Clay polishing, okay. Alright, I guess that works. It's like a waxing technique. That is a shiny boy. Next, we're cutting out this nice little inflatable water bike. Let's see how they made it.
All right.
Okay, so first we inflate.
Inflate always.
You're gonna need a lot of hot gas.
Air.
Air.
Yes. Wow. What is this tires? The rubber from it? Like a big truck or something? Like
Yeah.
a monster truck.
It's pretty cool. I don't know. Do they have that on monster trucks?
I don't know.
They look pretty smooth. I think they're just like.
No, I mean it's a thing which inside the well. Well, you know, it's from
yeah.
all
maybe on a monster truck.
yeah.
Yeah, you're right. You're right.
Now they do it without this thing, but before that it was always under the tire.
That's cool. Do you watch a lot of monster truck stuff or?
I'm not a fan,
No?
to be honest. Yeah, but I watch some.
Okay, I feel like
What about you?
if I ever I would go to a monster truck rally like if someone was really into them and they were like, you just have to see this, it's awesome. But I wouldn't want to
Like with an expert, you mean?
Yeah, if I was with a monster truck expert,
Okay.
I would go with them, and that would probably be really fun. But I don't have any need to go myself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, any of you the monster truck
Experts?
experts, fans? Yeah.
Okay.
Who knows? You know, for me, I realized recently that like there is a lot of fans of F1. You know.
Yeah. That's something as well that I can't really understand, but
Yeah.
I do have a lot of friends that like it, so I go and watch it sometimes. But it's just cars going in a circle.
Yeah. Yes, but don't say it to the fans.
The cars just go in a circle. Sorry.
Yes, it's kind of what I heard from one of my friend who is kind of fan. It's not mostly about the racing. It's most about how the technical part.
Yeah, 'cause you're going
they
so fast and-
achieving this thing and everything. You know, it's like
They're going so fast. Their tires are like different levels and stuff, and like what is it called? They have like soft tires, hard tires, medium tires, and they have to think about when they're going to change them, if they're going to last for a certain time. It is cool, interesting once.
I guess so. It's also I'm not a big fan of F1, but what about you guys?
Yeah, let us know
Is
in the
there-
comments if we're horrible people. Because, like,
Yeah.
okay, so now it looks like this thing is it gonna float?
What?
It floats.
Nice.
It doesn't look like it spins super well. It could maybe use some kind of paddles in there.
Yeah. And you know, guys, we tested this, so
Check it out.
Check it out, yeah. So it's actually our friends from Garage Lab on the YouTube, and they do a lot of good stuff there. So go and check their channel. It's
For
actually-
sure.
yeah.
That's good stuff. Let's make a new one and improve upon the last one. So this is like 1.0.
Yeah.
This is the beta test, and then we'll make a 2.0. Cool.
Whoa.
Ooh.
What? It's how you should drain your butt.
How you drain your what now?
No, nothing. I mean, they remove water out of it.
Why are they putting? Oh,
Ooh.
interesting. So candy wrappers fill holes pretty well, apparently. You probably have to glue them though, as well. They didn't really show that.
But if you need to, you know, if it's some situation when you just need it quickly to read.
Air pump, mini air pump. That's cute. I like it. Yeah, you want to open your bottles?
Yeah.
Ruin your bike like that? For sure. That probably made a dent.
It could work, but I think it's not.
Not worth it.
Just protect your paint.
Just use your teeth. No, don't use your teeth. I'm just kidding.
What should they? Okay.
For opening bottles.
Okay. Yeah, gosh. I already forgot about this.
What are we doing here? Wrap it around. I don't know. It just makes it look cool. Makes it look like it's part of the Matrix.
Does it look cool?
No.
It's just a practical thing.
Yeah.
It shouldn't. It looks good.
I mean, it could look good, but they didn't do that. They skipped that part.
Okay.
Okay. It's all right. Not too bad. Let's.
Yeah, that's fine. How to screw it ball? Well,
Don't care about your Sharpies. Just ruin one, and then you can use it as an adjustable wrench.
yep.
Okay, we're taking this lid. We're putting it on our bike.
Oh, this handle for your flashlight.
Ah, that's neat. I like it.
Yeah.
Bike hacks.
Oh, it's tricky to unscrew it. Better to
Better to just.
weld it.
That's But the part's ruined now, right? Like they
Yeah.
can't use that part again.
Of course.
Okay.
I mean, you can try to cut it off. I mean, carefully, but you're ruined.
All right, 5 Minute Crafts.
But if you
5 Minute Crafts is really good at fixing things one time,
that's not
solving an issue
Yeah.
once, and then
Okay.
ruining all things involved in that issue.
But maybe for some another purpose, you know. Okay. Oh. Wow. It's a 2-ton screw. Wow.
That's kind of cool. I like that one.
Nice.
Nice.
See, not that bad.
Not too bad if you have a bike shop.
Ah,
Smart.
Smart.